नित्यानन्देश्वर सदाशिव समारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि आदिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and blessings. You all have made it. That's the first statement I want to make. That's the last statement you all will make. We made it. I was also waiting for the first statement. Understand, I am the expression of the need of the hour for humanity. As the living representative of Mahasadashiva, Mahadeva, I commit with you all, I'll make every one of you here manifest the powers of Mahasadashiva. It is actually not introduction to the program. It is my commitment to you. Understand, all of us have to make it for humanity to be alive continuously. Quite a long time, we are stuck in status quo. See, the time we took from one single cell amoeba to fish, physical growth. You may think, why I am always talking amoeba to fish. Fish has developed all the internal organs we all have. There's no internal organs we all have which fish does not have. From fish to monkey, physical and psychological growth. physical and psychological growth. You may think why I always say fish to monkey is physical and psychological growth. Because by the time you become monkey, you develop all not only internal, intra-organs also. Understand the difference between internal organ and intra-organ. Internal organ is like a kidney, heart, intestine, lungs, liver. This is internal organ. Intra-organ means walk, Vishuddhi chakra, heart center, Anagata chakra. Third eye. You need to know monkeys have third eye. Monkeys develop third eye. By the time they evolve as monkeys, they develop third eye. Monkeys can be initiated into third eye. They can manifest powers of third eye. They have the internal intra-organ third eye. I don't know how many of you know, today morning for darshan few monkeys came. Today is Hanuman Jayanti. They came for darshan. If they have come for food, they should have come when we are all not here. And such heavy music. And they came, after I left, they left. Nobody came back after I left. So from fish to monkey, you develop internal and intra-organs, both. From monkey to human, you develop unique thing called consciousness, which is independently intelligent, not the totality of your body, internal organ and intra-organs, something more. Listen, there is something in you which separates you from robots. Robots can never take over the world, don't worry. It's a myth. They can't. They can't. As long as the independent intelligence in you is functioning, no robo can take over the planet Earth. Even if one human being is there, he will be the boss. If he is married, his wife will be the boss. So. Unique thing we develop, the independent intelligence, which is unique to human beings, ability to take decisions as long as you make decisions, you are padi, when things around you makes you make decision, you are pasu. Things which make you make decision is pasa. If you have read any Shuddhadvaita, Shaiva Siddhanta scriptures, you will understand. You may have to spend at least 3-4 years and read 200-300 books to understand this 3 word, Pashupadi Pasa. I am repeating. The independent intelligence which makes decision is Padi. Anything other than you which pushes you to make decisions is Pasa. If you are pushed to make decision and you decide because you are pushed, you are Pasu. That's all. That's all. Whole Saiva Siddhanta is just this 3 lines. Robot can never take over us. No artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is artificial. Understand, it is artificial. It may be able to do something more than us, but it cannot do something which only we can do, is conscious response. Conscious response. The good news is, best thing happened to the universe is human consciousness. The great news is, it is time we have to move to the next level. Understand? Now I am coming to integrity. I need to give you my commitment once more. I commit with you, whatever words I utter now is completely with my integrity, because I am talking to consciousness. You are not customer for me, client for me. I don't even look at you as my devotee or disciple. You are all consciousness. We all have to make it together. We are all in a ship. We have to make it. Fortunately, it is neither Noah's Ark nor Titanic. It is Manu's ship. You are all consciousness for me. Understand? Somebody looks at you as their boss, somebody looks at you as their subordinate, somebody looks at you as father, somebody looks at you as mother, somebody looks at you as brother, somebody looks at you as a friend, somebody looks at you as enemy. Now, each one looks at you in one way. I tell you with all my integrity, I look at all of you as consciousness. We are all in a ship. We have to make it. It is time. We need to go through this superconscious breakthrough. It is time for human beings to become the next, you can give any name. Because we are going to make it, we are only going to give name. You give superhuman, superconscious human. Whatever name you want to give, you can. Even Superman. You can give any name because we are going to make it, we can name it. The good news I have for you, you are with the best GPS. Guru positioning system. Just don't leave the ship. Understand? Only rats jump out of the ship. Really. They think, oh, something is going to happen. Even a small wind. They think jumping out of the ship is the best. And they jump out of the ship. Where they land? Now, I'm not saying there's no small winds. There are few winds. Manage. Just don't jump out of the ship. Understand, I am not looking at giving some feel-good feeling for you this time. Let me be very integrated. I am not even looking just power manifestation. See, I am going to make you manifest powers. I am really looking at superconscious breakthrough. And I tell you, good news is, really the whole software is successfully downloaded and it is available. It just needs to be transmitted, that's all. The whole methodology is ready. Technology is ready. Maharishi Mahesh Yogi, one of the greatest contributors for this whole thing. I'll say all the people successfully did the groundwork. Ramakrishna, Vivekananda, Ramana Maharshi, Maharishi Mahesh Yogi, Osho, Paramahamsa Yogananda, Prabhupada. Not only Aurobindo, one of his great followers, Swami Chinmay, not Chinmayananda Swami, I'm not talking about him. No, I'm not judging Swami Chinmayananda Swami. Forget about that. I'm talking about Sri Chinmoy. I don't know how many of you know about him. Sri Chinmoy, very silently, but he has done a lot of hard work, groundwork. Some of the people worked, strived for it in the West, George Gurdjieff. I should say roughly last 200 years, the groundwork was done. Fortunately, in a verifiable way, where the results are not only able to withstand the scrutiny of the logic and any logic-based science, it can stand any form of scrutiny by any human beings. With that kind of a definite proof, first time Sadashiva made it. With the grace of Mahasadashiva, we made it. You need to establish the proof and credibility. Only then you are going to help humanity. If there is a big gap between what you talk and the person who listens, you can go on be speaking any Vedanta. You may be a really integrated person, but you are useless. Useless integrated person. Every village has 2-3 integrated persons you can see. They will be highly integrated to that local temple. They will go and do the rituals properly, everything. But he's not going to be useful for the whole humanity. Some of the fundamental things needed for being useful to the whole humanity is ability to establish the credibility and ability to handle all forms of scrutiny. You make a product and do acid wash to find the purity. I made this product from acid. While I made this product, I was going through acid wash. Understand? Now it is time we all make it. We will make it. We have to make it. I'll give you the essence. Most of you would have heard many of my introductions in last few days in various weekend programs. I'll give you the gist. If you have not heard, let me formally introduce. See, the state of Mahasadashiva, the superconscious state, complete, unclutched, nirvikalpa samadhi, pure space, alive, pure life. The state and the space in which he operates intense activity happening. And the powers he manifests. Understand? With all my integrity, not just to give you courage, confidence, no. With all my integrity, I commit with you all, I will reproduce these 3 states in you all. The good news is, this land people put all their efforts internally, all their energies were concentrated to produce personality like me. Understand? Please understand, this last word is not my pride. I am just a mere village boy from this country. If you are born and brought up in an orthodox South Indian traditional Hindu family, you will understand I am nothing new. I am only translating and mapping it in English and telling the world what is supposed to be our lifestyle, nothing else. I am not discovery, I am rediscovery. Because they have put all their efforts here, this becomes second priority for us. The infrastructure understanding has become second priority. It is our innate tendency. How many of you know about it? Like trillions and trillions of years before, the lunar eclipse and solar eclipse, we can guess and tell, we can predict, and not guess or predict, we can precisely tell you. We can precisely tell you 20 trillion years before what day lunar eclipse was, solar eclipse was. We can tell you. No, it is internationally accepted truth. No other system, no other time calculation mechanism is capable of that. How many of you are aware of that? The life of Brahma is 311 trillion years. 311.4 trillion years. And we can predict, sorry, not predict, we can very clearly tell you the solar eclipse, lunar eclipse, how many times it has happened from the time sun and the moon has started functioning. And the next important, please listen, listen. This measurement is circular. Listen to this statement. There is no other system which can precisely tell you the positions of stars, movements of sun, moon, planet, so precisely 3 trillion, 4 trillion years before. But this system maps everything in circular, not in linear. Not in linear. After 60 years, we want to forget the linear, so we start from beginning. After 60 years, we don't want things to be linear anymore. We just want past to be forgotten. We start again from the beginning. We are going to have a session on Kala, time. That day I will explain more detail and deeper. You need to know about time to be liberated from time. I tell you, how many times ever I may take birth, I will take birth only in Indian villages. I want to retain some Indian villages. If I want to come back, I need a place just for that. Where you can drink a cup of tea for 3 hours and not feel guilty about it. That's such a sweet space to grow and such a beautiful space to leave the body. I may travel all over the world, but I will retire back only here. Understand? This is a place to retire. place to grow and place to relax. Small infrastructural things are okay. It is worth stress of Kala. Stress the idea of time creates in you is one of the biggest stress all of you go through constantly. If you don't have any problem, you start creating this problem. Oh, so much time has passed in my life. I have not done anything. Now, how many of you keep that as your parking spot for worrying? When you don't get any worry and you are not able to shop any worry, you have a standard parking spot. My date of birth. So much time is over. I have not done anything. I have a successful methodology and I will make it successful. The good news I have for you is your psychological cooperations like a concentration, meditation, nothing is required. I liberate you from all that. You may think, what is going on here? No, I'm making this statement very consciously. Your concentration, your single pointedness, all of them are not required. Understand, fundamentally Hinduism does not demand your belief, faith or attention. It demands your integrity to the conclusions you are supposed to arrive about you and cosmos. That's all. See, this whole me talking, you listening is all not to generate faith in you or belief in you or get your attention. No. Actually, I am a middleman. I know both sides are anxious. So I just make the marriage happen. No, really. He is as anxious. Maybe the anxious word is not right word. I will tell as interested. That may be the right word. He is as interested. I'll say a step little more than you for you to manifest him. Because it's already too late. It's already too late. For too long, the status quo. See, after the consciousness happened in the human body, without moving to the next level in the status quo, too much of time has been spent. And now the situation is, we may not even allow the planet Earth to exist if we don't move to the next level. We become such third-rate beings. No, really. Sorry to feel, please don't be hurt, but what I'm saying is truth. We become such third-rate exploitative. Hey, we talk so much about one person killed, we don't understand every day our plate is murder. Minimum one murder, For some people, even 3-4 murders. Each plate is a murder. We don't have a right over the life of the other beings, and we have no right to even tell their lower level beings. No. So somebody does not have a hand or handicapped leg, you will kill and eat him. That's what you are doing when you are killing the animals and eating. They may not have some of the intra-organs we have developed. That no way means they are lower level beings. No. If Mahadeva gives me I know he has given me, I'll do it. I will remove non-vegetarian lifestyle from planet Earth. I'll make human beings vegan as natural lifestyle. I think when we give the conscious breakthrough, this is going to happen. This is going to happen. Even in vegetarianism, fruits and flowers are okay, but not the roots. You cannot remove a plant to eat. Anyhow, that is next. Let's first make at least bring it to vegan. Then we can move to yogi diet. First, let's bring it to vegan. Anyhow. We may not let the planet Earth survive if we go on like this stupid, unconscious way of living. Nobody knows why we are doing what we are doing. Why industrialization? Nobody knows why. Suddenly, after this internet revolution, all this traveling is becoming redundant. How many of you are realizing this traveling is becoming redundant and irrelevant to human beings? Nobody has looked into that angle. The traveling is slowly becoming redundant or irrelevant with the internet. Book has already become irrelevant because of Facebook. I'm going to use all the spiritual methodologies available to prepare your body, internal organs, intra-organs. Your mind is useless, so I am not going to touch it at all. No, really. It is not useful even for you. How will it be useful for me? You keep it with your Facebook. I don't have a problem. Actually, if you are just awake and sitting and watching your Facebook, I'll be able to do my job much better. So you don't create noise unnecessarily. And no, that way it will be much better. You are just hooked to your Facebook and you become a polite baby. No tantrum, nothing. And you throw tantrum in the Facebook itself. Now they have given you option, angry face. Go on, chuck, 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 chuck. So, throw tantrum in the your tablet itself. Actually, this program is all my research and development and downloading, whatever I have done for last 3-4 years, I have put the whole thing together and giving it to you all. You are going to have at least 100 aushadas. Aushada means matter which is infused with the biomemory of higher consciousness, which gets into your internal organ and intra-organ, makes your internal organ and intra-organ manifest the same higher consciousness. It's like an energy tablet. As I said, your mind is useless. You can only make it as redundant and irrelevant. You cannot fight with it. I tell you, never you can win by fighting with it. Your mind is your spouse. No, I'm serious. The good news is there is no prerequisite of working with your mind at all in the whole program. I tell you, actually, your minds have become such. Aushada is literally like an enlightenment pill. To transmit this experience, I am directly working on your internal organs and intra-organs to give you the conscious breakthrough, to give you the superconscious experience. Almost 100 aushadas you are going to have. Various meditation processes. I'll introduce the logic of every process before we start the process. Actually, the whole program is an introduction to a new lifestyle, a new way of existing. That's the right word I'll use. This whole program is an introduction for you to exist in a new way. How can I introduce this program? Please understand, every meal, including coffee you are having, is aushada. It took months for us to gather the right combinations and download the energy and energize the whole thing. The best way to eat in Mahasadashivoham, everything provided, please take and mix nicely and fill yourself. And I guarantee you will lose weight. Your weight will be balanced. You will have a, don't miss anything. Don't miss anything. Whether the food you are going to eat or the yoga, Shivastamba yoga you are going to do, I will formally, legally speaking, I'll say, please take precautions, consult your doctor before getting into the poll. Is Shivastamba yoga right for you? But if you ask me, get in. You are not going to die. The cushions are there. And we have enough trained teachers. There's no record anybody damaged their body or died by falling from the pole. Take precautions, nothing wrong, but don't deny getting into the pole. It is like you are denying one of the great possibility for your body. Don't do that. And I am coming. Whether food or Shivastamba Yoga, in everything, please listen to this word. Be charged up follower. See the paradox. Here I am saying when I am doing the process, you don't even need to be concentrating, you can be on your Facebook. But there I am saying, be a charged up follower, because what need to be attended, let's put energy only there. Nothing else. You don't need to do all useless things. All concentration process, attempt, trying is useless. USELESS. Is there anybody who opposes me? No, Swamiji, I have meditated for 30 years, I can completely concentrate. I challenge you. I am a Dhyana Siddha, I am talking. Mind can only be made irrelevant, never single pointed. Fortunately, it cannot be made single pointed. If you think you have made it single pointed, you are loose. Be charged up in everything. Understand the food is designed as aushadha. It detoxifies your internal organs and intra-organs. Eat well, large quantity. Please understand, we don't have a single fellow telling, I put on weight eating ashram food. We don't have a single record. In weight loss, we are 100% successful. If you want to balance your weight, eat as much as you can in the ashram. It is such well planned, strategically designed by Mahadeva. You need to know whether the yoga you are doing, food you are eating, the process you are going to go through, aushadha you are getting, everything is directly from Mahadeva. I can give you the original verses given by him, giving this whole logic and science. Detoxification methods and processes like mud pack, vibhuti pack, turmeric pack and Tribala Shurana pack, all these are directly from Mahadeva's instructions with Shastra Pramana, done from the original products uncompromising. If it is Ganga mud, we brought it from Ganga. Please understand. We did not collect it from here saying, putting the flower, Om Gam Gangaya Namaha. So now it became Ganga. No. Like this baptizing. They put you in the water and now done. Now in India it happens. No. We brought it from Ganga. Same way, the turmeric is supposed to grow with the Kaveri water. When Kaveri becomes middle-aged woman, means Sumangali. So she becomes Sumangali by Erode. Erode is a place near Tamil Nadu. The place is called Bhavani, where Kaveri gets married to Mahadeva. And she becomes Sumangali. The turmeric grown there should be used for a process, and we brought it from there. Understand, the highest integrity is maintained in everything. That is why the Sumangalis only can use turmeric. It detoxifies your body, removes all the fluoride. I think after getting married, you get a lot of toxins. And the next, even if you think it is too good to be true or a big promise, I am talking very logically with all my integrity. I will give you the experience of Kailasa. The science is ready. Traveling to different dimension, understand, it is not just a psychological experience, it will be very physical. When you come down, all of you will be reporting the same thing. Like how this hall, if I ask you to describe, all of you will describe same way. With this precision you will describe. Mark my words. If you want, you can put this as your status and check in 25 days whether I have done it or not. All the promises and commitments today I have given in the introduction, you put it as your status and keep it. Share it with everyone. Later on, you can tick whatever I fulfilled. And there will be nothing left unfulfilled. So don't worry. There is no if not, no. So essence of the first session, introduction, you made it. And still few days, I'll keep the doors open for this last moment running and getting into the... No, we Indians have that habit. When the flight is on the runway, we will run and pull the copin and wave and tell the pilot, stop, 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 and jump. Into the flight and put the seatbelt. Oh, one hand is missing, it's okay. Call, hey, that hand is in the runway. Get it and keep it in your house, in the home safely. When I come back, I'll take it. Flight is taking off, I'm switching off. Now we have this. That only then we feel like James Bond achievement. So you have a story to tell now. You know how I made it to Mahasashoham? That is the story by itself. It's all sheer laziness, did not do the things on time. and then writing an adventure story around it. All adventure is beautiful decoration done to the stupidity and blind spots and completely disorganized. If you make others believe it's adventure, it's okay, but if you start believing, that's where the problem is. Anyhow, especially for the runway Indians, that's it. So, essence of introduction, you made it. If anyone wants to make it, we have time till 21st. And if you want anyone to make it, put their name in your status and share the Facebook. I'll bless them. Let's do something. So with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaida Saivam, Sada Shivoham, Maha Sada Shivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.